Okay, so this is the part 2, surface area volume of a cylinder. Now we're going to talk about how to calculate for the volume of a cylinder. So basically, it's a very simple calculation, and I always use this analogy. Think of it as pancakes on top of each other, okay? So you have this cylinder, like in Pringles, you have all those, or stacks, you have all those chips stacked on top of each other. So think of it this way. Okay, so you have the circle, okay, and then think of it as us stacking one circle on top of each other until we get to the height of this cylinder. Okay, that is why if you look at our formula, okay, you will see pi r squared, and we know pi r squared is the area of a circle, and we multiply the area of the circle by the height of the cylinder. So think about stacking pancakes, okay? So remember this, volume is pi r squared over pi r squared h. It's all multiplication. There's no addition or subtraction here, okay? It's all multiplication, okay? So let's go to the next page. This is the same problem that we used for surface area. Now let's calculate for volume, okay? So let's look at what is the formula. The formula for volume is pi r squared times height. The area of the circle times the height of the cylinder, okay? So if you look over here, we can already look at the information and solve by substitution, okay? So this is equal to pi, which is 3.14, okay? Let me put the equal sign lower. 3.14. R, now again, what is given here is the diameter, okay? And we know that the radius is from the center point to the end of the circle. So the radius is actually half of the diameter. So 14 over 2 equals 7. So the radius is 7 kilometers squared times the height, which is 8 kilometers, okay? So this will be 3.14 times 7 kilometers times 7 kilometers times 8 kilometers, okay? Now, why did I expand this? This is so those of you who are still confused about how to square. Remember, squaring means you multiply the value by itself 2 times because it's squared, okay? You do not do this. It's not 7 times 7. It's not 7 times 2, okay? It's not 7 times 2. It's 7 times 7, okay? So that's why I expanded it. If you're still not sure about that, expand it, okay? The 3 seconds, 5 second stops that you do to expand this will make your work more accurate, okay? Then all you need to do is to multiply. Everything is multiplied. 3.14 times 7 times 7 times 8 will give you 1,230.88. Now, how many times does kilometer come out? Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So that means the unit is kilometers, 1, 2, 3, cubed. Square, volume is cubed. Area is squared. Remember that, okay? So I hope this short tutorial helped you understand how to calculate for volume of a cylinder where the diameter is given, okay? Bye bye.